Let me take this opportunity to take you through the graduation ceremonies that we've had as the Jex Institute. Yeah, right from our inception in 2022. We had the very first graduation ceremony at Mpombo restaurant, in African restaurant in Deira. We salute you, the management of Mpombo restaurant. Thank you so much for having, given us the time and the reception to be with you. Then we had only about 20 graduates. All of them are working out there. The second graduation was here at Jex Institute, because then we had actually already grown ourselves here. We had gotten a bigger space where we are presently. Then we had about 40 to 50 graduates. There's several of them that are already working in the communities. Yeah, then we had our third graduation at Ankole Big Ribs. Yeah, you know where Banias metro station is. It's Ankole Big Ribs is there. We salute you, the management of Ankole Big Ribs. Thank you so much for housing us. Then we had the fourth graduation at Fortune Grand Hotel here in Deira, and it was massive. Thank you so much, management of Fortune Grand Hotel. The fifth graduation, then we were like, there is a hotel just next to us, Hughes Hotel. Let's go and check it out. Lovely. We were surprised. The ambience is so good. They have a very big space, very spacious space, and it is very elegant. So we had a fifth graduation right there, the sixth one there, and the seventh one that we had recently in July. So presently we're going for the eighth graduation. There are over 100 graduates, people that have completed the course in the months of August, September, October, and those that are going to complete in these first weeks of November. All of them are going to be graduated on that day. Many of them already received their certificates, because remember, here as expatriates, what is most important is you getting a job. So when you complete the course, we apply for your certificate and you get it so you can catch the job. But because it's a celebration that is also important, we call you back on the 30th of November. Every barista that is out there working, please ask for off. Come and celebrate your achievement. Celebrate the completion of your course. Celebrate the job that you got. Let's appreciate God for the good work He's done for us, and also appreciate ourselves, because remember, this time around, it wasn't your parent paying your fees. It was you. You did a great job for yourself. You did a great job for your generation. You did a great job. Lovely. You should be celebrated. So all of you as Jex Baristas and Roasters, let's be there on the 30th of November. It's going to be the 8th graduation at Hughes Hotel as always. And the day is already marked Jex Baristas and Roasters graduation, the 8th graduation. Come one, come all, friends and family. Let's all be there. Remember, you're only coming with a 50 dirham for your buffet. 50% of the fee has been paid by the institute management, and you're paying only 50 dirham. Yeah, don't buy food elsewhere. Let's all be together, have lunch together at Hughes Hotel. They have very good food. It's a buffet, and I'm telling you, we're going to have time to shake our bones. We're going to have time listening to the testimonies given us by our brothers and sisters, those that are already working. They'll tell us how they came to the UAE, how many years they spent in the different companies where they were working, earning petty money, and today how much they're earning and how they're seeing themselves grow. It's the Jex Institute. You that is out there thinking through whether to come and join us, I'm telling you, that thought that you have now is the right thought for you to go for. Come to Jex Institute and study with us. You are welcome.
Crowd is moving fast in the neon haze, but when you stepped in, it set my soul ablaze.